In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Sheet content into Figma using the Google Sheets Sync plugin. To get started, the first thing you want to do is prepare your Google Sheet correctly. This part is very important because the plugin relies on your column headers to know exactly where each piece of content should go inside your Figma file. Open your sheet and format the columns so that each header matches the corresponding layer name in Figma. The key detail here is that the header names need to include a hashtag at the beginning. For example, if a text layer in Figma is named title, your Google Sheet column should be named hashtag title. This naming match helps the plugin connect the right data to the right layer without confusion. As you set this up, take a moment to double check spelling, spacing, and capitalization. Even small differences between the Google Sheet header and the Figma layer name can cause the sync to fail or place content incorrectly. Keeping the names clean and consistent will make the process much smoother. If your Figma design has multiple text fields, image placeholders, or repeated content areas, make sure each related column in the sheet follows that same naming logic. Once your sheet is properly formatted, the next step is to adjust the sharing settings in Google Sheets. In Chrome, open the sharing options for the sheet and make sure the access is set to anyone with the link can view. This is necessary because the plugin needs permission to read the sheet data. If the document remains restricted, the sync may not work as expected. You do not need to give editing access, and in most cases, view access is the safest and most appropriate option for this workflow. After that, move over to your Figma file and launch the Google Sheets Sync plugin. Run the plugin directly inside the file where you want the content to appear. From there, use the plugin to connect to your prepared Google Sheet and begin the sync process. Since your headers already match the Figma layer names, the plugin should be able to map the content automatically. At this stage, it's a good idea to review the imported content inside your design and make sure everything landed in the correct place. If something looks off, the most common cause is usually a mismatch between the sheet headers and the Figma layer names. Once that is corrected, you can run the plugin again and update the content. That's the full process for syncing Google Sheet data into Figma quickly and cleanly using the Google Sheets Sync plugin.